Okay, next up in our new theme that we're creating, we need to get rid of some elements up here. We don't need this title, we don't need the tagline. We just want to move everything up and move this menu on top of the header image. So let's get started here. Obviously, we're going to need to work with the header.php file in our child theme. So let's go and grab the one out of our parent theme. And here it is. Then we've saved it into our child theme now. So it's going to override the one in the parent theme. So let's go find our section here. There it is, site description. Oh no, wait a minute, there it is. Okay, site title and site description, there they go. So all we have to do is just literally take those right out of there. And we'll upload that. And we come back to here and refresh. There we go. We've lost it. Now, we still have a section up top here of white space. This is where your browser tool is going to come in very handy, and it depends on the browser you're using. My favorite is Firefox using Firebug. Here it is down below here. You see the little symbol for it. There are similar tools in Chrome and in IE, but I find Firebug is the easiest one to use. All we have to do is right-click here, and we say inspect element, and it brings up the Firebug tool below and highlights the element we were looking at. And by pointing at the space, we've got it right here. And when I mouse over, you can see the purple tells us it's padding. And if I look over here, I see in fact it's a 30 pixel padding we've got on the top. So all we do is we go to our style sheet of our child theme, and we put in here header, and we go padding top 0 pix. There we go. And we do that, and we save it, and we upload it, and we come back over to here and refresh, and there's our padding is gone at the top. So we're flush to the very edge. Perfect. And you can see here how the style sheet in the child theme is overriding the style down here. So next we've got these spaces over on the sides which we don't want. And all I have to do is mouse over here, and yes, it is the wrapper is doing that. So I highlight wrapper here, and I see that there's a padding on the sides of 20 pix. So I just go back to my style sheet. I'm going to put this above header just to be consistent with where we put things. And we do our wrapper, and we do padding 0 pix, and we save it, and we upload it. And we go back and we refresh. And there we go. Now we're right to the edge with everything. Perfect. Now we're going to move our menu up above. And we could possibly do this with CSS, but in this particular case we might as well just move it because it's a very simple thing to just grab it. There's our access navigation. We just remove it and we put it back where our site title and site description were. Put that in there, and then we're all set. Save it, upload it, and we hit refresh. And now our menu's up top where we want it to be. Alright, now in our design here, there is a bit of a white margin here, but that's actually just the browser putting that in. I actually wanted this flush to the top. So let's again find what's doing that. Obviously it's going to be the wrapper. Let's just verify. Yes, the yellow is our margins. So we are going to now change that from margin top 20 pix to margin top 0. Let's go back to our style sheet here. And we just put in margin top 0 pix. We save it and upload it. And we do our refresh. And there it is flush to the top. Okay, so I've changed this menu, by the way, to reflect the pages in Textile Dreams. So now what we need to do is take each one of these elements and we're going to change our menus so that it's going to completely use up all our space here. We've got to put in our colors just like we've got in here. That'll be our next step in the next video.